Today I want to talk to you about high hip pain, something that often gets confused or lumped in with low back pain because of the proximity of the two areas. And while the pull of one can definitely affect the other, today we're going to zero in on just that top part of the hip. I'm going to show you both how to self-release the tension and how to strengthen the muscle. Loosening the soft tissue will alleviate the pain and discomfort. Strengthening the muscle will lessen the chance that the pain will come back. The muscle we'll be focusing on today is glute medius. It has two main functions. Abducting the leg at the hip, which means moving the leg out to the side. It also helps to stabilize the hip so that when you take a step forward, you don't fall down. Here's a picture of exactly what the muscle looks like. This muscle has 3 trigger points located along its top edge. A good way to relieve pain in this area is by foam rolling. Simply place the foam roller underneath the top of the hip and roll a few inches up and down. Don't forget to get the side of the hip as well. Foam rolling will release the connective tissue, which will allow us to get down to the trigger points in the next step. Once the connective tissue is loosened, we can use a lacrosse ball to release the 3 trigger points that run along the top edge. You'll know you're on one when it hurts so good. Once located, you can just lie on that spot for 30 seconds or so, or until the pain dissipates. Rocking back and forth a bit on that spot can help release it as well. And don't forget to breathe. For some, these trigger points will be very painful. Try the same technique on a softer surface, like a bed, to decrease the pressure. To stretch the glute medius, you'll need to get down on all fours and square up as best you can. To stretch the right side, move your right leg back behind your left knee. Hold it in place with your left hand. Next, you'll want to drop your low back. Think sticking your butt up into the air. Slowly push back until you feel a stretch on the top of the hip. This is a subtle movement. Feel for the stretch in the top of the hip. Hold this for 10 to 30 seconds. Repeat 3 times. To strengthen the glute medius, you will need a wall for balance. Position yourself parallel to the wall and place your arm up for support. From there, you'll lift your inside leg up to 90 degrees, hold for a second, then lift it up further as you drive it into the wall. This is working the glute medius on your outside leg. Hold for as long as you can before dropping your leg back down to 90 degrees with your hips neutral. Repeat for 10 good reps, making sure to feel the glute medius contraction as it works to keep you from falling over. Do this at least a few times a week to get good results. Thanks for watching. Visit us at confluenttouch.com, and as always, stretch and strengthen within reason. If any of these exercises hurt, please discontinue immediately. When in doubt, seek a medical professional's opinion.